Welcome to our lesson on bond duration. Today, you're going to learn about one of the most important concepts in bond investing: how to measure and understand interest rate sensitivity. Duration is a critical tool that helps investors predict how bond prices will react when interest rates change in the market. So, what exactly is duration? Duration is a measure that tells us how sensitive a bond's price is to changes in interest rates. Think of it as a sensitivity meter. The higher the duration, the more a bond's price will move when interest rates change. It's expressed in years, but it's really measuring price volatility, not time. Bond prices and interest rates have an inverse relationship. When interest rates go up, bond prices go down. Conversely, when interest rates go down, bond prices go up. This is fundamental to understanding how bonds work. Duration helps us quantify exactly how much the price will move in either direction. Duration gives us a practical way to estimate price changes. It tells us the approximate percentage change in a bond's price for every 1% change in interest rates. For example, a duration of 5 means the bond's price will change by roughly 5% when rates move by 1%. This makes it a powerful tool for risk assessment. Let's look at a concrete example. Imagine you own a bond with a duration of 5 years. If interest rates in the market rise by 1%, your bond's price will fall by approximately 5%. The relationship works both ways. If rates fall by 1%, the price would rise by about 5%. This helps you understand your potential gains or losses. Several factors influence a bond's duration. First, time to maturity. Bonds with longer maturities have higher durations. Second, the coupon rate. Bonds with lower coupon payments have higher durations. Third, the yield level. Bonds with lower yields have higher durations. Finally, payment frequency. Bonds that pay less frequently have higher durations. Understanding these factors helps you select bonds that match your risk tolerance. There are two main types of duration you should know about. Macaulay duration measures the weighted average time it takes to receive all the bond's cash flows, including both coupon payments and principal. Modified duration, on the other hand, directly measures how much the bond's price will change in response to yield changes. Modified duration is more commonly used for risk management. Duration is essential for several reasons. It helps investors understand and quantify their interest rate risk exposure. It's a critical tool for portfolio management, allowing you to balance risk across different bonds. Duration guides your decisions when selecting bonds that align with your investment goals, and it's absolutely critical when developing hedging strategies to protect against rate movements. Mastering duration gives you better control over your bond investments.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.